mostly focus on pointers in C++. We're going to what is pointer. These are the topics included in our module 3, that is basics of pointer, function called by value, called by reference, factorial of a number, infinite series, sorting, searching, matrix multiplication. So we have to go detail on programs of each topic. Okay, so in this video we will learn about the pointer. What is simply a pointer? And these are the previous year questions asked in KTU about the pointers or about in the based on module 3. Okay, you can find it later. Now, so let's move to our topic, that is pointers. Pointer means it is a variable that holds memory address. You know about variable, right? Variable means, suppose int a equal to, okay, we can write it as int a equal to 100, okay, 8. So int a. Here, a is a variable having the data type int. That means a can store a value and that value should be integer type of data. So that is a variable. And the variable that holds memory address, not simple value, but a memory address, is known as pointers. And these pointers are used to access data from particular memory location. If we want to access data from a memory location, we will use pointers. So pointer simply the variable that holds memory address. And like variables, we can declare pointer as data type, variable name, and before that we have to put a value, that is we have to put a symbol star, that is data type star variable name. Okay, example int star a, where star a is a pointer variable and it can store the address of integer data type element. Okay, it can store, star a is a pointer variable and it can store the address of integer type of data. Okay, a is a variable, it can store some data, but star a becomes a pointer variable and it can store the address of that data. Okay, so this is the simple pointer concept. For example, int I equal to 100 and a equal to address of I. This AND operator is address. That means I has a value 100 and let's suppose that is the address of I is 1024. Say 1024. Okay, we are giving it and there is no sense in this value and this address value. So we are assigning some address value of I as 1024 and I got a value of 100. Now what happens? Int I equal to 100, a equal to address of I. Address of I is 1024. Now, that means a contains the value 1024. If we have to see what is I value, we should simply write it as cout. We should write it as cout I, right? Cout I. And what will be the value of ci? That means we will get the output as 100, right? Cout I value, that means the output will be 100. Now, if we are writing it as cout A, cout, here if we are writing it as cout A, then what will be the output? It will not be 100, but A contains the address of I, that is 1024. Now the result becomes 1024. Now, if we write it as cout of star A, not simple A but star A, that means A contains the address value 1024. Now, star A means it is a pointer which points to that address value. Okay, that means star A becomes a pointer and it will point to that address value, that it will point to 1024 and what will be the value there? 100. So the output of star A, you will get the output as 100 itself. Okay, so simply A means it contains the address value. Star A means in that address what is the value? What is the value? That is 100. Okay, so that is the meaning of things written here. So this is a simple program to demonstrate the working of what these pointers and actual variable. Okay, so here we are writing, this is a step, you already know that this is the integer data type declaration. So integer, data type, variable name. We are simply writing it as var. Okay, var equal to 20. That means this actual variable declaration. Now we are declaring a pointer. Pointer is IP star IP. That means star IP is the pointer variable. And this is the actual variable. This is the pointer variable. Now we are writing it as IP equal to and of var. That means we know that var has some address and this address is stored in IP. That is store address of variable in this pointer variable. Here IP is the pointer variable, right? And now we have to find that value of var variable. Value of var variable. That means we have to see like this. Value of var variable, address stored in IP variable, value of star IP variable as the output. For that we have to write it first, that is cout value of var variable, and the var variable value will be var, right? So end one, end the line. That means this will be printed in the single line. That's why here we are putting here like this and end line. Okay, that means the answer will be like this. Okay, now IP is equal to address of var, right? Now we have to print the address stored in IP pointer variable. For that, the address stored in IP variable, the address, in order to find the address, we have to simply call IP, cout IP and end line. And if we have to access the value at the address available in the pointer, we should not write it as IP but star IP. The star IP is used to access the value at the address available in the pointer. Pointer variable, that means IP is the pointer variable and it contains the address. But if we have to access the value at that address, we have to call or we have to print the cout along with cout, we have to write it as star IP. Okay, so this is the thing, and these are the advantage of using pointers. Number one, pointers save the memory. Also, it increases the processing speed and it reduces the length and complexity of a program. It allows passing of arrays and strings to functions more efficiently. You know this what is arrays and what is strings. Yeah. Then pointers make possible to return more than one value from the function. So these are the advantages of using pointer. So hope you got some idea about what is a pointer and how this pointer may get declared. That is data type star variable name. Variable name means it contains some value. Star means that means it is a pointer and this pointer contains what, the address of some variable. Okay, and if we have to access the variable, then we have to simply access or cout var. If we have to access the address at IP, we have to simply write cout IP. And if we have to access the value at that address, then we have to access it as cout star IP. And this and is the address operator. That means IP will store the address of variable. That means if 20 is there and this 20 has saved in some address value, like wait, I will say, like so this is some memory space and this memory space contains 20 and the var is stored here. This is the variable. Named memory space is location is known as variable. So this is var and var equal to 20 and it has some address value like 06f, right, 06f f e, and this address is get stored, address of this var is stored in IP. Okay, so the store address of variable in pointer variable, and if we have to print it, just put IP. If we have to access the value at that point, we have to write it as star IP. So these are the things we have discussed so far. Thank you.